Hi all and welcome. My name is Jeff. Today we're going to unbox the Hauslane UC-PS10 Pro Style Under Cabinet Range Hood, available in size 30 inches. It's made from the finest stainless steel. The clean and durable range hood is both beautiful to look at and high performing, so it can handle serious cooking. Hauslane is committed to amazing customer service, with free shipping, a solid warranty, and a price guarantee. Upgrading your kitchen just got a whole lot easier. All right, let's see what we've got in this box. Here is the UC-PS10. This under cabinet range hood has the timeless look. It's made with high quality stainless steel and has a pro style design. It's designed to fit right into any kitchen. Now, for all the chefs in the house, you'll appreciate this high performance blower. It's just perfect for all your heavy duty kitchen adventures. And don't worry about noise. A specially designed duct system and a quiet yet powerful motor are built to keep things quiet. Your kitchen will stay a zen zone even when you're cooking up a storm. Now I'm turning it on a low speed setting. And this is the noise. You can still hear me clearly. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get set up, including 3 easy clean baffle filters, a stainless steel oil tray, a 6-inch round exhaust adapter for top venting, plus all the screws and bits for easy installation. These baffle filters are easy to take out and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Plus, the bright, energy-efficient LED lights and simple touchscreen make it easy to see what you're doing and control the fan speeds. It even has a delayed auto shutoff to fully remove all the lingering smells. So, wrapping it up, the UC-PS10 isn't just any range hood. It's a mix of sleek style, solid build, and serious power. Ready to handle whatever cooking challenge you throw at it. Got questions or still couldn't decide on which model? We're here to help. Thinking it's time for a kitchen upgrade? Hauslane's got your back. Don't wait. Make your kitchen the heart of your home.